Hello guys, today we will be unboxing the ZEBRONICS Zeb Music Bomb X. I have recently purchased it from Amazon, so let us unbox it and see what comes out of the box. So it comes in a very simple packaging. You can see the branding out here. It's a portable Bluetooth speaker, the Zeb Music Bomb X. The ZEBRONICS branding out here. A few specifications given such as Type-C charging. It has a powerful bass, 20 hours playback, and voice assistant support. As you can see, the pricing is listed here as 5,499, but I have got it for only 2,000 rupees. And here are the specifications of the device. As you can see, the dimensions, the specification, etc. is given, and nothing on the right side. Oh, it is also mentioned that it is IPX7 waterproof. Okay, let's go with unboxing. So here's the box out here, the ZEBRONICS Zeb X Music Bomb. The build quality is very good. We have some usual buttons out here. As you can see, the play button, the music on off button, then there is a volume on off button. The build quality is very nice. What else comes in the box? Let us see. It comes with the paperwork, the user manual, and I have unboxed the USB Type-C. Let us see the cable here. So we get a basic USB Type A to Type-C cable, and that's it. So let's keep everything aside and let's dive quickly in the product. So this is the product here. Let's turn it on. Whoa.
ZEBRONICS for life.
Bluetooth mode.
Let us connect it to my smartphone and let's play some music.
Zeb Music Bomb X is now connected.
It is connected, as you can see. Let's play some non-copyright music, right?
Guys,
Let's see.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the crowd of profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who hear my cries and watch me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. The world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Zeb Music Bomb X is now disconnected.
So as you can see, the music quality is very good, the sound quality, the bass is good, and you get this RGB lighting which you can change as I've shown before while playing the music. So that's it. That's a very good and sturdy Bluetooth speaker which you can easily get for 2,000 rupees on Amazon right now. So you can go and please grab this device. It is very handy. It's very easy to carry. You have a hook also to attach to your bags and all. So that's it with the unboxing and in-hand experience. We'll go with the detailed review on later video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and share my channel with everyone. I am new in YouTube, so please help me in my growth. Thank you.